Hi Morgan, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
So again, I would like to, get understanding of how the training session went for your Appian masterclass, where you understood all the Appian aspects practically from my end, and how was the later on support and the before support and the during the training. So would love to know the honest feedback plus the ratings, for my work out of 10, 10 being highest and 0 being the lowest.
Yeah, the 30-day master class was excellent. I recommend for any student, beginner or intermediate developer,
Your
to
voice is quite low. Can you please repeat?
I recommend any mid-level or beginners to take this course. This course is designed to give you in-depth knowledge of Appian, and the 30-day master class makes you feel very comfortable. He goes through it step by step into each objects, the use cases, practice cases. It, I guarantee you feel comfortable after taking the course. Overall, I would say this is an excellent rated course. I don't advise anybody to take it.
Yeah, you forgot to give the rating though.
I don't know the rating system you want me to use.
So the rating is flat and simple. So 0 is the lowest and 10 being the highest. So if you like the
Oh,
rating,
okay.
it would be on the 10er side, and if you find it average, so it would be less than 5.
Because usually ratings are like 5 out of 5. So I didn't know which one, so I
No,
didn't
no,
want
it's
to
it's not
mess
a
up.
kind of a Google rating or maybe a Play Store rating. It's just like a flat out of 10 rating. So just like we
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
rate, something out of 10. Yeah.
You want me to do it again?
Sorry?
You want me to say the whole thing again?
No, 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 no. Just a rating number. So out of 10, how was your overall
Oh,
experience in
10.
learning? Sorry?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Okay, yeah.
10, I'll say 10 out of 10.
Thank you so much.
11 out of 10.
No, no, no. That was way more than the barrier last number 10. But yeah, I appreciate
Yes.
your learning first thing because there are a lot of learners who learn things casually, right? So if you are really serious about your goal, you will definitely get the output. So it is a very common saying that what you sow shall you reap. And if you put
Right.
average input, you will definitely get average output only. So in the era
Yeah.
of the AI and everything, we are having full lot of distractions. And out of this scenario, if you are making an impact in your own career by studying something additional to what you know, so that requires a different level of consistency and effort, and not everybody can put up to. So that is what I found you different uh, compared to other people who are learning, where I see that you are more dedicated and you are doing things practically, and whatever I do give to you as an input, you gave the output, right? So definitely you found better results as compared to anybody else because you are putting effort. It is a simple equation. So same thing with trainings. If you really work hard and walk on the path what the trainer is showing to you, definitely you will get the results. And if you watch it like a movie, then the output will definitely be average, right? So yeah, thank you so much for your honest feedback. And yeah, and if you have any blockers, feel free to message me anytime. And this was great time
You're,
talking with you. Let me stop the recording.
you're,
Sorry,
yeah,
once again.
no problem. No, it's an excellent course. Again, I recommend for anybody to be on the course to get an immense understanding of Appian. And as an instructor, you're the first person I came across who cares about the student most. I think you care about the success of each student, which really sets you apart from many.
Yeah, impact is more than everything else, right? Impact is something that if you are in the testimonials of someone else's, you know, resume, then that is something that you won't buy. with anything else. So that's what I'm trying to do, making impact. Thanks again. Let me stop the recording.